So yeah, I'm Colton Garner. I'm the welding teacher here at Winston Churchill High School, and I'm joined with...
I'm Cason Maryland. I work with Lethbridge Banditos here, and we help supply a lot of the tools here for the new welding shop.
So yeah, we're just almost wrapping up our first semester in the weld shop here, and we've been using Banditos tools like crazy. We've been grinding figuratively and literally all semester, and we put them to use a ton. They've been safe, dependable, the works. Kids have put them through their paces, and they've been flawless. I've been in their shop almost every week picking up supplies, and I'm like one of the boys now, so I'm loving it.
Yeah, no, it's great to see Colton in the store, and it's always nice to show up here. And every time we show up to drop stuff off, whether it's bring gas or just some consumables for the kids to use and keep learning how to weld, that shop's packed, but there's not a lot of talking going on. Those kids have their head down, and it seems like they're learning a lot.
Yeah, so the shop pretty much finished construction there mid-September. So me and the kids, we got at it quick. And right now we have about 65 high school students that have been going in it since September. And semester 2 is about to start here in a couple weeks, where I got about 120 kids that are fresh, ready to go for semester 2.
Well, if the younger kids and the younger generation are getting into it, we're building a better customer base from the start, so these kids know that we're going to be there and ready for them to be able to provide the tools, whether it's the safety equipment, your welder, your consumables, anything that you need for cutting and abrasives, we'll have it. But we just want to be able to show these guys and the kids that we're there. We got all this stuff, so whatever you need, you just let us know and we're on it.
Yeah, so tonight we're bringing all of our community and our partners in that were part of this project to say thank you. And so we have our culinary kids. We cooked a dinner, they're catering the dinner, and we're going to feed them. We're going to say thank you. We're going to show them the shop, and we're going to make them feel special.
Awesome. We're super excited for the meal.